chatting off him out, but you know, things that they don't know about. It's a habit them have to talk about things they don't know about.
But me, I wonder why them go around and make themselves be a clown instead of talking about what they are going to do. What's the problem with them? And
But they don't have anything to tell you what they're going to do. Whatever they would want to tell you that they're going to do is already happening. So they don't really have anything to talk about, so they just go around making mischief.
you say
and right now, to be violent.
And people may take that statement like that serious thing. It's like when you go in the kitchen, the food in your mouth. When you go in the fridge, the food in your mouth. You know? And when you go shop lock. That's not good. Anyway,
no, what happened is, let me tell you what happened. I was listening to a live this morning from, I don't know who the person was, I never even looked on the person who was doing the live because you just wake up 3 o'clock in the morning and scroll and see something and start watching.
Mm-hmm.
And the talking point was the $3 trillion. And I was like, what the fuck? People really have to count on that 3 trillion something about here we get to find out now. It's a kind of dunceness, because how can $3 trillion missing and we don't have $3 trillion in our entire economy?
Mm-hmm.
How can $3 trillion be missed? $3 trillion missed now, we don't have not even half of that in our economy. We don't have that in the NIR. The NIR is the most loaded with cash right now, and it's $6 billion. $6 billion is not even a third of 3 trillion. Not even a 32nd of 3 billion. Of 3 trillion.
Mindset, the Prime Minister says the PM says a war for the people's mindset, and it is true. It is very.
It's only for the mind of the damn jackasses because, who have sense going on so that can't make sense. Where would that 3 trillion come from? Then all our problem not a fix.
All I wrote they would have fixed.
You want to tell me, say, the Prime Minister would have realized 3 trillion and take the whole of it and him would have fixed the country and make himself the man of the century. Come on, people. We need to stop this nonsense, man. What kind of 3 trillion? Where that come from? Why?
As I say, them people are then easy gravitate to what not go so. Morning,
I think there should be something put into law to when these people talk these things, immediately then get shut down.
Morning, one love.
Morning, everybody.
Bless up.
Morning.
One thing here, Donald Trump said to us that in America he could only run for the Republicans because they are stupid. I would say that we have too much stupid people, because of that. We can't escape certain things because of the stupidity of the people. And they're not opening up themselves to learn and to get knowledge because knowledge is at your fingertip now. And they just, what you would call it, willingly ignorant or willingly dunce. And this is something that is very, very sad, And look at our, they call it the Black Friday weekend. They said it was $43 billion spent in the economy. And that's not been talked about.
And where that 43 billion come from? Poor people, don't.
Poor people, yes. The rich man now buy things.
And yet them say we are suffer. How we are suffering people have 43 billion to spend?
I asked that question.
I said, Mr. Shook here. I don't know if you see this is the video that Mr. Shook here did. I was trying to find a way to repost a video and I couldn't. Only to see this morning somebody posted a part of it where them video recorded from another phone. I never even thought of video recording it from another phone, but I don't know if you watch a video with Mr. Shook here. And are you watching?
No, I
Yeah, man, I see it, man.
It's a very interesting video, and I wish more people could have.
Him really rub out 106 with not the station, but the segment with Ralston with such people, man. Him really rub him out. Said it's all doom and gloom with him. Everything the call them trying to say is happening. Yeah, man.
For 106 is
Everything
part of
callers
the
them.
right?
Yeah, they're owned by the
You
Green.
know, say it switch round. I don't know what it is.
No, man,
I
it's
think the
owned by
Green
the
have some
Green.
shares in it, man.
But it's a
Yeah,
part
but
of the
over
RJ.
the last
If
20 years, it is about.
I said stand corrected. We know Perkins and Bargy, them did own shares in it one at the time.
No, man, it's a Green and RJ.
Um,
RJ is the parent company for it now.
for 106, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, man, I think so. I did.
Ralston
I heard that.
Ralston
So is
segment of the
that
show. When the people them call and explain what is happening, and him always but, and him find about 10 negative he had to it. But me think him kind of is a white elephant, because if Omar Davis shame so much that him know him come out. And remember say Omar Davis a world class economist, So if Omar shut up, him should automatically dig a hole and throw himself. So people listen, people listen to rhetoric, Rusty. People really listen to rhetoric than thing will make sense, So you really have to give and take with them.
well, it's one thing I have to say. See, the propaganda not help them. And the same people them who are called stupid should realize that. Should realize that. It's the same lie and propaganda why PNP out a road now and then they vote them out. So they must make them fool them. Don't give no credence to this kind of argument because there's more propaganda and nonsense. And every time them come at Andrew, him survive. Them fail. So them should look until now, so watch out. That is just another one of them rhetoric where need to be shut down. Don't pay no mind.
And what I can give the PMP credit have, they know how to find soundbite, That is one of them favorites. So once they catch a soundbite, all the stupid people run with it.
Propaganda easy to come up with, all you have to do is plan a good lie.
But guys, one
And
of the things that I look at here.
the master conspiracy theory, them master that.
But one of the things, guys, the $20,000 give back, tax give back, it's spent right back in the country, so it helped the country. While the fool them I say a political election ploy.
But
No,
what they need to
what
understand
they are
is
saying,
money.
they are saying that the Ministry of Finance collect must say how much years the HR say 15 years or 12 years a head tax from the Mexican government by the airport. I just said but even if that happen, look at it. We could put logic to it then. Forget about it. We're really naive. Even if it's that, still income from the country. And a borrow them go borrow like Omar Davis at 15% and 18 and 20%. How would the country earnings? So it's still
No, but
it's still no make no sense.
that would just come in like the forward payment. Like what Manly do with the backside, we sell backside where from Manly
Exactly
was a
so.
boy. Manly was a boy and sell backside, we still have to find backside to give Russia now where them pay for everything.
Rusty, a lack of vision, boss. Lack of vision.
Eh? That will just come like you pay for something 10 years before time. Nothing wrong with that. Not a thing wrong with that. You get the money to spend and all you have to provide the service. Simple. Just like what Michael
And
Manley,
it tax
somebody never said nothing about what Michael Manley do when him sell the backside. Eh? Sell
the head
200
tax
years.
is more sure than the backside.
Of course.
The head tax is more sure than the backside.
Because if you don't find the backside, you have to pay back the money.
And the Minister of Finance still never say him get it from the head tax. So I know me not hear that in a film. Me not hear him say that up till now. Only the PMP them can find. I try find logic to put to it. Which has to be a negative. No, the next thing again, Rusty, where you think people should use common sense. People, no matter you're fool or you're illiterate, you must use common sense. The World Bank, the IMF, and the administrator of the World Bank, leave them take Mr. Nigel Clark because they're farm. apply you see him, and appoint him. Why is it when he was here, the PNP shut him down so much, but when he gone, the PNP said the best head gone? People, come on. It makes
Not
sense.
only that,
People
not
can't
only
do
that, not only that, why would my brother Nigel Clark be such a fool and the World Bank and the IMF would have want him? Tell me how that. Why would the World Bank and the IMF want a fool?
Only PNP can tell you. Me couldn't explain that to you.
Why would the IMF want a fool? That can't pencil out. Me don't understand that. I want to explain that to me.
So it's just doom and gloom with the PNP. Once one of them in a power, a doom.
But guys, somebody send
And
me
them
a
do
list.
anything.
Somebody send me a list about the KFC two-piece deal. In Jamaica, it's 6.30. I think those are only two other countries above us, Puerto Rico and Trinidad. Bahamas is $12 for one two-piece US. Barbados, everybody a credit a big up. It's $10 for one two-piece. And we are 6.30. What is that saying?
Hold on, make we do some calculation. You say Barbados is how much?
$10 for one two-piece KFC. NASA is $12.
And NASA use US dollar, right?
Yes, and we are 6.30.
So 12 times, make we use $1.50. 12 times 1.5. I $1,800 thing. Don't tell me my maths wrong. And you said Jamaica sell it for $600 and Jamaica sell it for $600.
$630.
So that a 1/3 of what NASA sell
No,
it for.
it's $630 US dollars, you know. That
Oh,
everything
630 US. Okay,
everything
sorry.
US. We'll give it the US quotation.
Yeah, but Jamaica still the price of Jamaica still far away less. And not only that, you know, I was on a live last night and somebody explained something to somebody. That cost of living, you know, them a complain about in Jamaica. In the United States, actually, the cost of living is actually 3 times what it costs in Jamaica. It's only because $1 is $1. But cost of living actually costs 3 times what it costs in Jamaica.
And if Donald Trump go through with this tariff thing, it's gonna be worse.
You know, sometimes I wonder when Donald talk, if me really wonder if him me bring him to win election, but I really wonder if him do the sometimes do the calculation. I'm just talk with tax here.
Oh, you see, in order to have a certain, you have to talk in base, you know.
You can't take on China. You can't take on China with a tariff war. Because China have the cheapest labor force and the most efficient labor force in the world. So you can't take them on a tariff war. You must lose.
One thing we can't tell anybody. All of what about American economy and this and that and blah blah rate. People longer there America because of the exchange rate. And the prettiness them there for. Yeah?
And the 150 per one when they come back.
150 per one there and them can build their own a little faster than it got build Jamaica. Yeah? And
Yeah.
some of them end up get caught. Why most people there in the United States then get caught in the system, then get trapped. They want to come home and can't come home.
That's true.
Because they go married if you get stay. And them get caught in the system, they have to pay tax. They have to pay bills. They have to pay rent. Right? Then get trapped in the system. And through them they and trapped in the system now, they end up with a mortgage and buy a house. Some of them. Right? And some of them buy these houses with the intention so they don't build a house and make certain amount of money to sell back the house and come home. 9 out of 10 somebody when we talk to a foreign, that is the plan.
But
Because it's cheaper and better to live here.
But can I tell you something, sir? More than 10 million Americans cannot take sick leave based on the income that they earn.
Hey, the only thing you can buy America cheaper clothes, you know. Food not cheap America, you know.
Again, food
Food
not
don't cheap
cheaper.
America, you know. Food expensive America. Regardless of say a dollar is a dollar, food is very expensive in America. Thing,
And Rusty,
clothes cheap America.
Rusty,
Yeah,
Rusty. One of the thing
yeah.
where one of the thing that try explain to some idiot there upon their life. Them talking about the government must, Jamaica government must or should subsidize agriculture. And me I said to them, say, oh, if it take cash fit here, that's number one. So if we have an economy where in a depression for the last maybe me could have said out of the last 50 years of independence, 54 years of independence or 52 years of independence, our economy in a recession for about 25, 30 years of it because of the PNP. You know? So we don't have technically we don't have an economy. You know? That is why hardly Shadi come out and tell them said Jamaica now face no depression more than what them did another 18 years of the PNP, you know, and then come out and attack him. But it was true because the rest of the world economy was growing at 7, 5, 8, 9% per year. Jamaica did a decline in that same time because of mismanagement. So we didn't have depression when the rest of the world grew. That's why the gravy train left we, you know. So Nigel Clark basically come and work miracle. Make blood out
Look here,
of stone.
Jamaica never did that decline, you know. PNP did that thief the money. And a decline
Yeah, but the
Jamaica.
country that decline. The country. Yeah, but the country did that suffer. When them achieve the money, the country has suffered.
Because hardly Shaw take the country when it was in a recession, 2009, 10, 11, right up to 12. Because we have 2 serious years of the recession, and the 2 years after that was tumultuous because people never get back on them foot. So it's like even after the recession, there was a recession after the recession. You understand? And hardly Shaw was a genius. Everybody have to ask him, how do it as a third world country? You understand? So we have to give Bruce and Hardly Shaw some credit. And then we have
And
to
Dan
overall, we
Webby,
have to
me
give
keep up
Labour
here
Party a
reminding you
lot
know.
of credit. Because
Don't live out Dan Webby out tight.
seeing, well, it's a team of them. It's always been a team. But we always speak about the head and not the wing and the tail. Right? But watch ya. Then now, in a COVID, Nigel and Andrew get the country in a COVID. In a COVID. 4 years of COVID, 2 years solid and 2 years after. Same thing like the recession. And work miracles. When nobody never make no money, we did make money. We put up the most building, the most work site that happened during COVID. Cement and construction. The construction industry was yeah. So the Bible have a script, there is a scripture in the Bible where say God give his battle to the strongest soldier, you know, and can tell us God always choose to make Labour Party win when there's trouble ahead, you know.
The meaning I was there.
But guys,
PNP
can I
could
tell you
manage
something?
Jamaica under Gilbert, you know. If it wasn't Siaga, you know, we feel under Gilbert, you know.
But guys, since burial, the banana industry is back by 90%. You know, vegetable is back up. So much things is back up since burial.
Make it banana to $200 and see.
Me don't know what it's going to take for we as Jamaicans understand and realize. So watch you now, no? Stop go back with 10 step when Labour Party take this country 5 step. Every time Labour Party take the country 5 step forward, PNP want to take it 10 step backward. We must stop vote for PNP. We need to to stop. I beg on the people to stop it, man. Oh, when the election is run and done, man, we have 56 seats in the House of Parliament, man. At least 54. Roger. Me hate to call my black brother and sister them dunce, you know, man. But God, man, you must stop, man. Because we don't have a choice more if you say on a dunce, man.
We really need to do better. We need to think before we vote.
But we don't think we need nothing to think about right now, because right before our eyes, we don't need to think now. It's right before our eyes. Nobody don't have to think now, because it happen. Nobody not deaf and nobody not blind. We see it happen and know say it's real and it's not a dream. We wake up every morning and see with the road them and we see the improvement of everything we are going. We see the highways, we see the centers we are built up, we see the hotels we are built up, we see the towers we are built up and mobile. We see everything are going. Free clinics. A free clinic in St. Thomas sincere, you know. A tree clinic built a Portland, you know, new clinic, you know. Over 100 clinic built all across the country, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see the improvement in the police force of 14,000 strong, the police them now up from 6,000, you know. Jesus Christ, man, what we need again? What we need to say?
And the National Reserve, it can sustain. I think based on it, it can sustain for about a year. Really any shock.
Yeah. What people need to understand is money make money, you know. You understand? So when me hear PNP come out about the $20,000, you know, the same $20,000, you know, I it revolve and recirculate, you know. You understand? If you never give the people them money, where they get money from to spend? To circulate back money in the country. And money make money.
Hey, Rusty.
Yeah.
Me give you a little sinner. Me give you a little a short story, you see? My family kind of mix up in a both side I politics. But me have a little sister who is a chartered accountant when she her 23rd birthday. Right? No, she used to work with she used to be a part of cafe. I never know that cafe used to make recommendation to government, you know, vote party. You know. So when Nigel Clark come with this, the threshold, the 1.5, she no longer in Jamaica. So she a PMP, I must make that clear. Me take up my phone and me call her. And me say, that's something when Nigel I introduce makes sense. She turned to me and said, my brother, we introduced this to PJ from 1998. Me say, you serious? She said, yes. She said the bottom up economy when Nigeria introduced. She said that is it. She said, you ever hear about the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the rich? Me say, yes. She said, all right. She said, well, this will be the greatest transfer of wealth from the poor to the poor. So when you give people money to spend, they are going to spend it. They are not going to save it. So it helps back the economy. She said, that is the way to go. You know, my sister don't labor it.
Yeah, well, guys, that's what the
Rusty
$24
laugh.
give back did do for the economy.
Your sister don't labor it.
Just a couple months ago, you just gave me.
She said that is the way to go. Because the working class, everybody, she said everybody I get bailout, my brother. But nobody now, everybody to get about the working class. the working class need a little ease in their pocket. And that is the way to go.
Yeah,
And
but the
then
$20,000
here,
helped out the economy.
What big man?
then basically the same thing. It's an 20,000. It's an extension of the 1.5. You know?
But big man, I see him PMP, I get in a line, I collect the money, you know.
No, another part. Another part. More on live. You know. Up to last night, I watch a video clip of Peter Phillips saying it's a pipe dream and it going to crash the economy.
The only blood clot thing was crashing that of Peter Phillips.
It will crash the economy and it can't work. Now, Marky G came out too and shut it down. Damien Craft will come out and shut it down. But a couple of years after, the same man who come and said, I tell the government, say, he must raise the threshold from 1.5 to 3 million.
Where Angie there?
But yet no.
And when him get the opportunity to explain to the country, March gone when the budget are read.
Them cannot.
Tell them how he would have raised it.
Them cannot.
And when they read the budget speech, you know, he attack Gillette. Go ahead,
Them
Rat
cannot
Ross.
explain how them are going to do it all now. All now them cannot explain. I would have liked them to explain how them all get it there because them for same one that say it couldn't work. So how them all get it there now? Eh? Every time you ask Mark Golden,
But I can
every time you ask Mark Golden, what is his plans? It's a secret, we can't tell you that because we have a thief. We have a thief plans. Like seriously. Andrew don't need no plan from them for thief or blood clot. Andrew have too much plan right now. Andrew overloaded.
Them also need that go around. Them also need that go around. I tell people say, see like how Mark Golden rich from something to nothing. Me don't know where they get the argument from. I see him say I'm gonna make Jamaican rich too. So that's why you have to vote for Mark Golden.
Well, right now, I can't tell anybody this. If you ever vote for Mark Golden, God, go with another blood clot or suffer. Everything
Yeah,
have
but
reversed.
look at the man constituency. How the man constituency stay? That he used to judge him.
No,
Look here.
me no know.
Right now,
All
between me and you, you know.
follow politics, you know.
Between me and you right now, you know. Nobody not tell me this, you know, but me know say them investigate Mark Golden for the money they were investing in buyers. Because nobody in Ireland Bahamas no money. IMF done with them, World Bank done with them, all the lending agency done with them because they say Bahamas are one bandulo country.
But Bahamas, they on the same road Jamaica, it depend when PJ in charge there. So them can meet the criteria of the IMF. Because when you get World Bank, when you get IMF and World Bank money, them get the criteria where you have to spend the money, you know. And because them can't meet the criteria, them can away with the IMF. I remember that statement there. So Bahamas right now, the basically the same thing. So it's a little place now where everybody rings their money.
Yeah. And that is the reason why the United States have eyes on Bahamas and anybody that is affiliated with them. So you say all of 20 million, Daddy, and by the way, on a 20 million, a 34 million. Because the money not go through. Right now, the Bahamas government and look out for gold in them, because they say the money not come through the parliament and it not come through the system legally. So trouble there. The same money they are getting in a trouble right now with the United States government and Bahamas right now. So they can stay there. And money Mark Golden a look for borrow right now for build back proven. Because proven a fail. You see, proven wealth is failing. Proven wealth and lose billions of dollars every day, you know.
Me kind of go through the comment them. The host look like him take a break.
No, man, him good at study other things. My man good at cook or some rotted thing. And I'm still pleasing.
Jonathan Davis. You know say doctor on strike. It's so convenient. Dr. Alfred Dawes left him in dogs for work. Me must say the Doctors Union was chaired by Dayton Campbell and Alfred Dawes and Alfred Dawes' father before Dayton Campbell. Me know the history of the politics, you know. Me know, when you look up in me know somebody where you can just come because the history important to me and I think it's important to Rusty too. Me can't talk about nobody else on the platform because I listen to Rusty all the way, so I know the history.
Hmm.
So the medical association was run by the PNP in Jamaica for the last 30 odd years. The police association, same
Even the
thing.
nurses association also.
The nurses association, the same thing.
And the teachers. And the
The
teachers.
teachers association are the first. The teachers association of somebody who probably neutral or probably looking at the direction at the JLP. And the first, the JLP appoint a governor general. Me can go as far as telling that because me born and grown in the politics. Me follow it.
Mhm.
So the PNP can call strike at any point in time in a Jamaica.
Well,
No
them
matter
can't
which party in
talk
the
about the
power.
teacher them now, because the teacher them no business with them. And the police them no business with them. And the nurses them also no business with them. Because nowadays when you go to
Yeah, because
the medical institution, them like the hospitals and the clinics, you see, the nurse them is quiet at ease and very peaceful and very manageable. Because they not under no stress.
Rusty, you're looking at them parking lot and see how much new car them have park over there.
No
Them
parking
couldn't
lot,
drive in the car in a
them.
PNP time, you know.
A car mart near the hospital them now and the school them now, brother. Car mart. I be a SUV teacher and nurse I drive now, you know. Oh, here Prado and Honda and Honda CRV and them news.
Me, me have a little teacher bridging down a man, you know. And the man say, yo, me see some money coming on my account, you know, and me think Ministry of Education make mistake, you know. So you say, I watch it for 3 months and realize, it consistent. So he go page the bursa. And the bursa say, no, man, are you increase, man? And the first thing gets so much money.
This is the Medical Doctor Association. No, a PNP, most of them. This is them are push out them head where they talk about overtime pay. No ready yet and them out to get restive over it.
Yeah, but remember say Alfred Dawes. Remember say Fim father was the president for all the PGA time, you know.
Mm.
And then Dayton Campbell take it and the next man take it for a short time. And then Alfred Dawes take it up. So them lay enough hang over there to know, you know, Rusty.
Yeah.
So the chicken them a hatch out now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Because as far as me concerned, presently at the Teachers Association and I think alone them have a full hold pan, you know, and the workers union, you know, the PMP me attack. So gradually we are get out of the class of the PMP gradually.
Look here, PNP going to become a thing of the past by the next election. You see, after the next election,
Like WPJ?
You see this election we have run.
Like WPJ?
You see this election, yeah. You see this election. When this election finish, you see the next election we are going to come, the 4th term election. PNP going to become a thing of memories, in a long distant memories where people are going to ask, how about that? Anybody were born 5 years ago, we are going to be in them 20s or late teens in the 4th term election. I go wonder one name PNP. Remember me tell you.
But Rusty, you remember when the government used to have to borrow money at high interest rate to pay public sector workers?
But look here, that's all they used to do, borrow money to pay police, borrow money to pay nurse, borrow money to pay teachers, and when they couldn't get money to borrow them, so watch a wage freeze. Because when we notice with the PNP, you know, it's a kind of criminal organization, you know what them do? Borrow the people their money and put it in them pocket and don't pay back. And time they running a bankruptcy now, boom, they make JLP win, you know, China go on like say, well then, you know, and when JLP win now, I have to pay back all these debts, so they make it like say a JLP have a cause a problem.
I didn't spread
PMP come up with
propaganda.
us. PM. Yeah. And PMP come up with a strategy, you know, where PMP take the country land, you know, and share it up to the selective people, you know, in the same wage freeze, you know, them say, all
So
right,
every
yeah, we
time
can
they
do no
come in
increase
and make
tax.
some money, PNP come in
We are
and
giving a land.
who they want to share it up with, and then they say, all right, Labour, see, they're Billy back now. People, they must look into these things and realize now, say, oh, it's a brother Nancy thing I go on. Send you a
But
shop and thief
Rusty,
money.
Operation Pride, the man them take the government and share it up, give the government workers them, you know. And when them done, you know, not even title, they don't give the people, you know. At JLP, see one of the come sort out documents and give the people them title. After then give the people the land, they don't give them the title, you know.
Because due to the intention to take them back after later on.
But there was no light, now water, and road put in this ear that then give them land.
Yeah.
Somebody still not like none. Somebody still not have none, brother. Somebody still not have none.
Because you do on a state town. I think you do a state town, you know. You know what Maxine say? Politics is when you can get it, where you can get it, how you can get it. That's what she said.
That no wicked. What Aluna Samba say, right now, we having a problem with the government services because they're setting them people in the blood class system that the whole of the press secretary, them are PNP, and them are going there create havoc because them are
Permanent secretary.
give
Permanent secretary.
information to the opposition and them they in the school them they in the heart, them they in the ministry them they in
I know only ministry. Rusty break little. Me hear Dayton Campbell pan nationwide. I tell nationwide, say Integrity Commission are going to send out a report next week. We are going to shock the country. But about 6 days before Integrity.
It's a Monday and a Thursday the thing release, man.
Thank you very much. That's the host of the program look upon him and said, then how you know that? How you have such privileged information?
Julian Robinson said 2 weeks, like him said last week, Monday, and the other week, Friday, everything jump out. And after Julian Robinson said, Dayton Campbell come and say, Monday and Thursday jump out.
Yeah, man. But the people need to follow the name them. Sometimes people will follow the name, you know.
But Pantan and Blood Clot, my boy your name. Long mouth tough face boy, the name.
Oh, the condom man.
The man we are tell the people and say must ask the government when they ask him what go on. The man will get shot. When name
Oh, jeez.
Greg Christie me attack.
Greg Christie.
Dregs Christie.
Oh.
Dregs Christie, yeah.
Dregs Christie. You see it? The whole of them are go blood clot, go to prison or if you pay up some money. Watch your drama. Watch your man, bro. God. Just watch it, Joe.
But you know, Rusty, say the Integrity Commission should have in court a long time answer to some serious things because when you have the chairman a tweet report before they make it official, you don't want more conflict of interest on that, brother.
I release information before the parliament. I hear what them do.
You don't want more.
When the police, when somebody interview them, and I ask them about the brother will get shot and the money will take, and them say, you should ask the police, and when the police fire back on some man, cut out the fucker, man. What you talk about ask the police? What, how you come by if you say that? By the next week, all of the hierarchy of the police was handed a letter. Declare them account. Declare their money. Bumbleclot. You imagine that? The police clap back and say, man, it's foolish to say attack, man, because the man don't want to come in with no information. Man refused for us to investigate him. The man refused to give us any information. And the man refused to give a statement. The year with the blood clot, Greg Christie said, the man sent letter to all of the police hierarchy, say, watch your man, who want to investigate him, I want to get no money. I want to come so rich. What are people them out of? Yeah?
And that will make it bad for them now. Now. That will make it worse for the PMP them because the PMP used to run the police force.
Well, the PNP can't run the police force again, you know, because you
You're
see,
not attack. You're not attack.
most of the police them what they did in the police force under PNP, who no run regard a foreigner resign. See?
Retain.
So
Retain. I retain.
the 6,000 police how we get the force with, you see? At 14,000 strong now. And you unpick them out of blood cleat school and university and college.
Hey,
So
but
you have a
Rusty,
PNP police like that again. The only PNP police them you have are the old one them when they see it long like when dog get old.
but Rusty, you remember one time when the police, the officers in the police force used to get rate of pay and the lower rank never used to get that.
Well, I'm going to be honest with you. So that used to happen, you know.
Yeah, man, you used to happen, man. And when am I breaking in the police force and he said enough time, you lick out against it and the inspector of police them no sign them paper. We then get rate of pay too.
But
So it's like,
I don't know. I don't know why something like that would. I mean, police are police, regardless of your rank. Everybody important. So why would they up a class, up a echelon of the police force get raised and the
it was a big thing, brother. Who big something, because, you know.
sometimes some things pass like how teeth pass fall. So me never know about that.
Yeah, man. Man, then create a big about man, and man, and the inspector say, no, sign a paper for no lower and get paid. That's what me hear.
First, me hear about it, but me glad to know still, because sometimes if you know some things, you know. But what I can tell you, since Bruce Gold, since Bruce Golden became Prime Minister, nobody no really want to hear about PNP in the police force again.
Achoo.
Some of them are still PNP, you know. What you already do? Either they no vote or they vote against them.
Brother, look how much policemen are buy car nowadays. They could have buy under PNP time.
But what you know, no? Anyway, anything where you see woman gravitate to, you know, Mark 10 a better life, you know, that is going to be a winner. And I can tell you this. There's never a prime minister in history and no in a royal woman love like what they love Andrew Wallace. Remember me tell you.
Achoo, brother.
Oh.
Achoo.
Every girl right now, every little girl, 19, 18, 20-year-old, 25-year-old, they would mind if they could have jump up on him go give him a wine. That I can tell you.
But Rusty, go even further. Look for the girl about more gold, you know, like a donkey by them.
Oh, you're your assistant. I must be your assistant.
No, but we said it already.
I must be your assistant. All of the PNP girls, them not front teeth. All of them front teeth thump out because guess what? When frustration take them up a jungle around and leave them where the PNP Garrison them, they man, then thump out their front teeth. They not teeth. All of them body jaw black and creepy like Japan skip them. You know they are conference with you see girl them. Brother. Me have to just turn up one place and say, yes, Father God, whole rusty want hold me composure there. I can hold me composure there. Watch you know. Girl them out, you know, brother. I mean a joke with you there. Out.
I saw man, I miss it to blood and scream, I couldn't believe.
Some woman or some man with walking stick or one blind man, me see that the man their conference, me have to wonder to myself, so them blood clot, them a people know so they have to retire now. Woman have to walk in a walk, a big jail a minute him have to walk.
How far back wrong?
But that the man turn on the mic, we flashing toilet make we hear. What a man dirty, sir. He's a dirty man. With this done shit thing, boss, I take me mute me mic flush, you know. This a man turn on the mic to flush.
You could have mute your mic, you could have mute your mic, man.
Man. But the man might be mute, man, and the man turn on, sir. That's kind of good style, a PNP style. Like.
Yeah, Rusty.
Involve man in
All the crime. Rusty, all the crime thing, you know. The biggest problem if he's handle is right now a crime, you know. That's my personal opinion, the biggest problem Jamaica. A crime.
And between me and you, you know. Between me and you know, say, crime did I take a check with you, you see. But see, you see, for a Mark Golden got talk about take it to them, man, they must take it to where you fuck. The worst thing Mark Golden could have ever said a statement that I make.
Me is a man who work the 14 parishes of Jamaica, you know. So me get around. And me can tell a man. And you see, cause me is a child of politics. Me ask a question. Me know the answer, but me kind of ask it still. Why is it Jamaica have 17 garrison and PMP have 12 out of the 17? All when JLP party win some of the garrison, you know, are still PMP garrison. That's why some people feel to understand, you know. Crime for the garrison, you know.
That's true.
You know matter where I'm gonna explain and say, you know, you call it segregation, call it classism, crime for the garrison.
You have to tell me them things, you know, brother. Tell some people that Garrison me growing up, Garrison me come from. So,
right?
I say that to say this to you. Me know about crime. I know about criminal, I know about Garrison. Me not have to say nothing more.
So when Porter say the PMP is a criminal organization, me, after me a little boy, me I see them something there and it a come up in a meeting, but me know nobody now highlight it.
I'm going to tell you something, you know. You know one of the main reasons why me left out of Garrison, is to not become a full-fledged criminal. Yeah.
You get out.
You get out. Brother. Because if me did stay, me the compulsion of to turn criminal, you know. When me say turn criminal, me never have to rob a day in my life yet. Me never rob yet from a band. I swear to God Almighty. Right?
But you was getting there.
But no, sir, me never get there. Me always a hustle no matter what. But here what the hustling that get hard because me have to watch my back too much. Because when you do things, you have to look out for things, you know, so it work.
And Rusty, the little youth, them too, you know, the little Olympic way, whole by years, you know. You know right wing community, right? You know right wing, right by Olympic way, so.
Ask me someone.
All right, the community that a Portia stronghold, the right at the border, Andrew and Portia.
Avenue down the side there.
All right.
Capture.
Me carry the youth. Me carry the youth go up on Maryville, go do some work, you know. Maryville go do some work. So me, when me come back down now, and me reach my turn and see where I drive, traffic. So me come some bop and go see where I drive and cut off and come across Bay Farm Road. And come over and take Tangerine Road and come in the Mall Road. And I take some back road and a white wing the youth come from, you know. Me I take some back road in a Capron Pen now. And me reach a Robin Road. That's a right it used to be a walk foot bridge at a Andrew constituency. But Andrew walk me to you can drive over right now. So me I go drive over the bridge now if you go up on Robin Road, if you go back on Woodpecker Avenue, if you can't go right. You look you said to me say, boy, I wear them place there. I wear the star. Me that man me not stray no, me not come them place there no. Me say where there? He said me no know, that's a problem. Hold on no. Would you believe me say the youth yard is less than quarter mile from Ushot him say so. So in born and grow a white wing, you know, and him know Robin Road, you know.
Stand 20 chain, what kind of quarter mile?
The man born and grow a white wing, brother. And the man know Robin Road, you know. Robin Road a half Woodpecker Avenue, you know.
Yeah.
I mean I say people can really fool and dark. So
Yeah, look here. You have man in a water house on the North of Wild Virgin and I see yes.
Hey, Rusty, I have a question for you. A question for you, Rusty.
Yeah.
Who would you vote for Person of the Year for 2024? I have two candidates.
Person of the year.
Yes.
That easy, man. That easy, man. Easy, cause it's only one man in the news that has been making the news 100% consistently, and it's Michael Andrew Oldness. Honorable, Dr. Honorable
So what
Andrew
about
Michael
Nigel?
Oldness. Why Nigel? I run a very good second, you know. Yeah, a very good second. But it have to be the PM. The man is loved worldwide, man. Everywhere the man turn in the world, people just gravitate to him and love him. Yeah, wrong. And everything right. You know what make him so outstanding?
I agree
Every
with you.
time them come up with something about him.
I totally
Every time
agree.
them come up with something against him. The weapons them are farm, you know, but they not prosper.
You can't stick.
The weapons them are farm, brother, but them not prosper.
Then can't stick, Rusty. Then not stick.
I say the weapons them, all the weapons where them are farm, that's not prosper. And the violence with such man are instigating now happen because the youth them now gravitate to it. 1 and 2 idiot are take on yes, because them dunce, but guess what happen? The mass of them, they not take on to it. The youth them don't in another fucker there. Different thing the youth them are deal with. Money the youth them are deal with. Hey, that's your PNP conference it look. You ever say when you plant a set of cornet and some of them beard kata grain all about and just mostly kabiasi? So then conference look, you know, kata.
When you planted a new moon.
You know, now when you plant, make it conference. When kata grain. But you know,
Labor Right Conference look like when you plant corn in a full moon.
but here, all blood clot Labor Right Conference.
Pull up to the veil.
You ever see some people who have double row of teeth? Pack. Yeah, man. Pack. Like when mouth full of teeth.
The man I give the people
The
them
conference
60.
of the people, they confuse them, you know. Because we keep conference and them keep confusion, friends. Them keep confusion, friends, and we keep conference. So right now, for conference, confuse them, you know. I know they're not up there.
Never PNP pastor friend, you know. When Andrew announced the heart improvement.
Oh, what are going?
The man said, all that go work. If you are give people more money than the minimum wages to go to school, all that go work. You know, say Andrew a madman. Me I say then, me say your fee say the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister. We have some fools who go and come make an announcement when you do calculation before. Me say, I think Michael Manley will go home, and his wife asks him when he looks so restless. He say a budget time and he not you go tell the people of Jamaica, and she tell him say he must go tell him about free education from basic to tertiary. The man must do them calculation before they come out and make them talk. He come back to me about 2 weeks ago. Boy, it look like you're a man thing at work though. But the people then hear me no. But the young people then still not hear me no.
Well, I know.
He might put a spin on it.
One love.
He might put a spin on it. He said, but the young people then still not go.
Well, I know. Rephrase that statement. The your man thing at work. No. Rephrase that.
Well, you're right on that. I saw him say still no. I kind of quote this up.
Yeah.
I saw him did approach me. But him technically I say the Prime Minister thing look like it at work.
No, me don't know if the Prime Minister thing at work. Rephrase that.
But the Prime Minister program a hard at work. But the young people them still not go.
I will tell him that.
Eh?
Alright, me know what I'm hey, you could have right, you know. Hey, look, you know. Me know one man up on the blood clot road there, run out clean that out and blood clot house and little girl graduate and say she go art and the man say, oh, go wish art. I leave her right to make a turn in a fucking idiot. If you go no fucking art, you have to come out of my house. I don't know say little girl have to live a poor side auntie right now. Have to come out of man blood.
They say it don't make the Prime Minister look good.
Man, they are diehard PNP, brother. You see? And then the man there go a grung at daytime at PNP gangs in where you are, man. The man
Me think, me know Jamaican people really. Here when me depend upon for lead back and roll this back to Parliament. You see, based on what Andrew do with the economy of Jamaica and the structure in the country. You see that mass of people where now vote. You no need to get more than 10% of them.
Well, I tell you, say, yeah, me tell you something, my virgin. You have some blood clot labor right to fight bro God, Believe it or not,
One, yo, you see what you said there a while ago?
I
several times I want to bring it up.
Oh God, wicked,
I several times I want to bring up the same argument there, but me no want it will sound away in the public.
It's me have a million bumbuckler people when I like me, so if it reach 1,000,001, it just it don't mean nothing to me. You see,
yeah, somebody, Rusty, somebody JLP council them we're losing seat February. So then say a long time then February.
But them bitter right now. Them bitter, you fuck right now.
I know who make them bitter. And them not serve the people, Then get opportunity to serve the people, and them not serve. And them choose not to serve the people, and the people get rid of them. Some of them people, man.
Me not quite sure for that. That may be a factor.
Rusty.
That could be a major factor. But me think
Rusty, I know while goose chains me talking to me, I talk about things that I know personally, but me not go dive too deep in it.
But me say, Rusty, I talk to you. Me might not know everything, but me know what me know. Me know there are other factors too.
Of course, there are other factors.
Some of them not get no good treatment. Some of them get left because some of them they never perform in a way if nobody really notice them for treat them certain way. You understand? And you have some of them out there put in the work, but them just couldn't get through because you're walking. Some of them in the ball so them never get no money on all these blood clotting. But watch out.
Rusty, some of them
it's all about who loyal and who less loyal.
Rusty.
If you don't show loyalty, you have to trust you too. And that is the whole
Rusty.
everything.
Rusty.
If you don't show loyalty in the organization, people sideline,
Then you go get to one make you know say Rusty, enough of them stand up and hear criticize.
Watch out, let me show you something. Don't care how me love you and rate you and in my organization. If me just see you show a certain level of loyalty, me will overlook you. Because at the end of the day, no matter what kind of work you put in, if you're not loyal to me and loyal to the work we do, how you going to show loyalty to the people and how am I going to trust you? Because that's the thing with the PNP, no matter how you hear them a fight, loyal to what them are doing,
Yeah, man, that's a me say a cult organization.
Them are telling them loyal to the lie,
Then talk the lie till them believe it,
I tell you, man.
No for the council them to PNP and JLP. Them in the constituency do work, but you are one. All the things that happen on the ground, But they find ways and means to direct the money back to them pocket, I mean, I go too deep in that. Them for go are the people for benefit.
Me know them things, man. Them things I talk about, man.
Them for go, man.
And you have some man
people for
now,
benefit.
only have them problem. Then just not no time for the blood clot. And you have some man now when they have no time for them division and then constituency. Their own personal business take over their life. And then a member say, then they come to the people, come beg them to elect them, to serve them. But after they get elected, them no business about this again. Them about their business.
Yeah, man.
You see, and then
Then
no,
go in a area and no for them go in the area and they end up a contract the little work them they end up contract them back to themselves, you know. So then turn all the subcontractor, you know,
well, and that are the
indirectly, you
blood
know.
clot problem now we hear with some of the
So
Ross clot. And that are the problem now within what we
so
hear now.
the man them on the ground we are running food for them and I help them. Them turn on and employ the man them I pay them DP with the work them instead of them give the man them piece of work with doing, you know. Them Rusty, no for them to go in about PMP and JLP, you know. No for them to go.
Hmm. Boy, I will a fucker go on. Hey, will a skull up
Thief.
go on. Now tell you
That's
something.
what you talk about, man.
Andrew under pressure two side there, man. Believe me when me tell you
And
that.
when
Andrew under pressure
No,
two side.
he knows enemy dangerous more than the enemy them what I do, you know. What I run.
And the worst thing what can happen is, some of these things are happen under him nose and you not get no blood clot information about it.
That's true.
Because him can't pay attention to everything. That's why you have to have people with loyalty if you come to you and say, watch out, say Tama do this and Tama do that.
Thank you very much.
And that's where the loyalty come in.
And whole heap of opportunity out the road for the constituency benefit. No for them just channel the thing to themselves, Rusty. So nobody now benefit. And if them constituency if eat a food, them have to end up turn on work with them.
We are saying no, Anisha.
Them now
That's
think.
what we are saying no. What you mean by if him never? Of course he did. And him sending me,
Rusty, you remember the youth when they talk from Brownstone and what they about the whole Dayton Campbell and Crystal Lee.
Think so,
Yeah, man, man say, you see, what the man said to you, fuck, but you see, when you come out to Crystal Lee side, I don't know about it, But a lot of man at Brownstone are crying, say, boy, Crystal Lee need to step up in game. But Dayton Campbell, nobody no want him back down the brother. Me talk about die-hearted pain.
Crystal League good, man. Crystal League the people and water with you, man.
Yeah, well.
And I give them road.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Cause you know, I know a lot of years, sentence people have been
Crystal League
neglected by
water everybody get in one place down there with you, man, a road.
Yeah. You see, before Dayton Campbell.
Social media department never turn on the pipe, man.
Yeah. Where Dayton Campbell live. But yeah, for years, every time rain fall, but nobody can cross a little piece of road there. And a major road. Every year, when the rain fall heavy, nobody can, Crystal League go down and rectify it. Yeah? That people can go to post office and all the thing they have to think about tapping the water or walk in a bush ground.
You one brother come for the life, come tell us, man, I hide, come out, my blood clot, bamboo, come for your family, then, man. What do
Yeah,
you
man.
want to see? Nobody no want to see no.
And me would tell even
And
the
them
man
ban and
who
going.
run in Stuart to step up in game too. Because the PMP they campaign hard in a year, them, They might campaign hard, you fuck.
But me not see them send Danai Williams' daughter to go run against Xavier, the PMP.
No, she not a chance, brother. No chance at all, I tell you.
No, me know that. Tell the audience.
Look here, man. I know my brother constituency, Xavier Mende. And let me tell you something. Right now, the man tell me what he has said, Keith Walford go do survey for the ground to see if he can come back. And I mean, a couple man look at him and say, don't stand a chance, but might as well forget it.
Me go give you a little joke about Xavier, Me grew up in a house and my mother a PMP and my father labor, right? And in my mother lifetime, she voted for
You know, look here. I want you to tell a man say a booker. In a booker, yeah? Ages figure on there. Brother, in no time reach
Yes,
around there
Mark
because
Nation.
you want them nice.
Yes, Mark Nation, and every girl in more role constituency.
Yeah.
And every girl in more father about na girl in more.
Aye. I them build the school, no? The school name after them, no?
They named the school after them because about na girl in more was a health inspector, you know. So
Yeah.
when the first general election was run, him know everybody house. Them time the sanitary inspector used to walk from pit toilet to pit toilet, you know, house to house. For pass the toilet and nail one like a silver stamp and like a silver thing like a $1
$1,
when he pass the inspection. So him use that to run the ground and campaign. So him make that the seat in a JLP seat. But Ernest Smith did come after and create a blunder and make the JLP lose a seat, I think, for 1 or 2 election.
No, hold on now. You see time when Ernest Smith lose a seat there. Let me tell you something, rude boy. What you call it, the ganja man them and the hungry belly people them. And them vote out, and them make Ernest Smith lose it. Because what PMP used to do it and just come and put a fat in the community.
Me kind of intimate to the constituency there. Me very intimate with the constituency there.
Trust me. And so my constituency that too, you know. Brother, that a place, where may I tell you?
I'm farming. Them Minister of Agriculture need to turn over back some money land to farmers. So we want the land for farm.
Yeah.
No of them guys are backside land there. Right now. Run it.
Brother, good old sentence, boy.
Yeah, what go on?
Bless up, brother.
Yeah, man, you see that same thing the way I said about the people, people same place in the party of fight against Sanjo. I said, me use that same word over there, you know, on my boy, the life, you know, the man, them, I like our style, me like me a PMP.
Yeah, right now, enough people are like you, Mr. Sam. You think something that was right now? Some people up on the fucking
truth hurt him.
right now, Bex, you know.
The truth hurt.
Yeah. Yeah, man, because me tell you something, you know what, go on, you see, because the man young and so much, all of people him, them not get a chance to do a quarter of him though. So I know no people not like that.
You have a whole heap of labor right now where I say I'm trying to hold the money too tight.
Yeah.
What true? Everybody talk about it.
Then I say Nigel too mean, no?
Because
Nigel too mean, no?
I them same thing because same as breast quality did claim to say no. In the PMP, anybody can go there and get money to do this and that. And in the JLP, then can get to do as them like. And that's why them did fight against Siaga.
Aye.
Yeah, man, for him did start up the Ghana 5 shit.
Yeah, man.
Well, I'm go Jamaica, I see politician are going to give man money in a paper bag.
Yeah, some people in Jamaica, man. If them alone to backside, the man and family get everything and the poor people them not get nothing because they want to just control. All when Dan will walk around a man will. Me and my brother they use I think a while ago and say Yeah, people gonna take the work them in a subcontract and give people them as their work. Some of the people when they do the their work, them no, them not even give them the amount of money what they're supposed to get. They not power rob the people them.
True.
Man, I will bash up.
True, yeah, that.
Go on, man.
I know about that personally, because one time I used to do some of the bushing work. And I stopped. The man give you 10,000 and if you do much chain and work. And when you check a stock and that are the pay, when you do the maths and you find out the year, and that them pay. You see?
Hey, you know the next thing to it, you say in Portmore the labor right, I mean we get busy in Portmore now because my brother live up in two not here and the man say the PMP them busy in the place and them now see the labor right then.
What them being busy in I mean a whole heap?
No, you see what them a do? Them a walk from them a walk
Respect.
and do the groundwork, you know.
Respect.
That him attack him said them need to
That's
make the
the point they are
people
true, you know.
walk one. Cause
The
I know
labor right them
no
drop
walk
asleep.
one.
The labor right them not a lead in another section, you know. So who they on the ground drop asleep.
Mm.
Them blood clot drop asleep.
That you want to sell meat.
But them time they drop asleep, now they soon know.
The thing is
If you
no.
have the blood clot money and spend the money and make the ass clot, I'll give you the election, you know. I'll give you the seat, you know. That don't make no sense, you know.
No, well what happened is that is a mindset I shake up Portmore because they have it set
No,
for a
I'm telling you
PMP
something.
land.
You have a whole lot of
I
people
can tell you that.
in a Portmore that don't really. Yes, most some of the young people is like them don't really understand this parish council thing, you know, because they don't realize the me them control the money them and supposed to do the thing them and when them not do it, the people them are blame the government win.
I know so Portmore run well. Remember some Portmore municipality, you know, so the people vote for the mayor directly, you know, but the mayor no really have no the mayor is like a figurehead in the council, what you know. So that is why they need manage to get rid of Keith Hines. Because him and mayor upon a PMP council. They don't need him assistant or vote for do nothing at all. Portmore municipality run different from the rest of the country. Portmore the only place up you vote for the mayor independently, you know, and on the councillor. And the council them vote for appoint the mayor for Portmore. And the citizen. It's an experiment where work it will work, but it will work. I know in the favor of the PMP.
Because locally park, remember say I take my money that make UDC take my property from them, you know, that also come the park get here work
Yeah,
on.
because the present me and the in front of them they don't have them flat foot hustling.
Yeah man, I pay a
So
friend thing man.
it never ever gone away. Because they might use it as a milking ground.
Yeah. Because I will company come on I go in a politics for an election.
The way me against them, me not pay my taxes at Portmore. I got to pay my taxes in. Because you know, the money we pay to the tax office at Portmore go to the council.
A serious thing.
All of that soon change, man. Grab and blood clot, what the youth and him Terry Long are gonna change up the whole of that. Just watch your drama, man. Just watch your drama, man. Any kind of resilience, any kind of park they don't build up, you see? Portmore going to be a change blood clot community.
You have a piece of open land. You have a piece of open land between the Texas gas station and 85. We go back to Nago Head and go side of Pines. Pines are come off the same land, you know.
Yeah.
You know, no say the government want
That piece of land
the
where
government want the piece of land, you know.
right behind the they
Fi build up industrial
Can't talk
complex,
one
you know.
time. One on a virgin. You waste one
The
now.
government want a piece of land to build an industrial complex. And at the mayor and the PMP comes over there about imagine it's an industrial complex, you know, because we must say 95% of the people working at Portmore come out of Portmore go work in a next forest at the time, you know. So industrial complex have create more employment for people who live here. And the mayor and the PMP councillor are barred, you know.
Then hold on, I'm going to give you a drama. The youth name Dean Peart build up one building now, Northwest Manchester there. See? Where do you go? Southwest or Northwest? Anyway, don't want Michael Phillips there. So,
and Northwest.
Northwest, seen. I don't know, so Michael Phillips down the 13 year on the building about in a disrepair and derelict. Nothing bush and grow upon it, nothing now go on. I don't know if Damian Young as a council, as a caretaker member of parliament, caretaker, go down there and say right now, you might go make use of the building. All I want to go on down there, Damian Young, do it as a caretaker, you know. Whole heap of people that get work and go to school and graduate a certificate, all kind of thing. Damian Young go on with himself down there, brother. See, I do things that the member of parliament not doing. That him should have do because him will get the blood clot CDF money. See? They don't know say. Give me a young say, alright, you know, go put in a post
Hey,
now factory for
PMP
juice.
not nothing for play for young people, you know, man.
Hold on, Virgin.
Because
Hold on, Virgin. Damian, you ever go turn the place in a factory for cold storage for the whole pineapple and tomato and things that people have done their waste from St. Elizabeth to South Manchester to everywhere. See? And go to JSIF for your money. Put in the machinery down there to start production for at least, to employ at least a dozen people or more. Rascal, then tell Phillips, the rascal sitting there, JSIF say, don't give him the money and start the project. Me say, me I tell you, Bridget, when you tell me to blood clot, me say, Judge of God, yeah. Eh? The man now do nothing for the people in the community, and the man come and do something for the people and the man block it. We want to say to them, the people are going to vote back for him.
The man in the box below, say that, no. I not really moderate the program, you know, but
man, what am I saying, man? Because you said me usually live in Northeast Manchester.
Yeah.
And so me familiar with Northeast Manchester and Northwest Clarendon. And the whole of them places, Mile Gully and the whole of them places, go back around and so. You say anytime anything for uplift young people, man. PMP no want that to happen because they love to keep the people in poverty. That's them can win election, them can just go buy the people.
Anisha Green, I'm not sure
are
what
we
you're
a
saying.
control?
No, I'm not sure I understand what you're saying, Anisha Green. You cannot come in the box with me. Understand what you're saying.
Are we to control people and keep them poor?
Yeah, man.
Control people, you keep them poor, you know, so you just give them enough to keep them alive so they can come back and vote in the next election.
Yeah.
And that are the PMP, that are one of the PMP strategy where I think take them away road on them.
Fund the money to the young people and to the so-called area leader, they done them. They can't bother the people and control them.
That is why they get the title poor people government.
Mm.
They love poor people so much that they make sure them breed up so. And when them breed them up, no, them blame the government.
Yeah. Yeah, man, them create poor people, man. Because I didn't strive up, you know.
Mr. Anisha Green, the Anisha and Mr. Henrikins is not a division, you know, it's a constituency. only the council seat a division. The MP won a constituency.
Yeah, morning. Hello.
Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss
Yeah.
Green, you might look. I know me and the moderator, but the moderator look like he might do something, and Rusty look like he might easy too.
Oh,
No, we have to
yeah.
moderation. Come on, for the thing. You have to
Yeah,
just
Rusty.
start us.
Because that man said, over from Philippians. Yeah, I think, I don't know what kind of argument Classic and somebody else have in terms of endorsing who from wherever. In terms of Omar Miller and Bendium, most clear, whatever I want. So he is saying, say, must say, the MP endorse one and whatever. But make sure on Politics Live, it was said that Dunkley was endorsed by the
Yeah,
Prime
Dunkley was
Minister.
endorsed, yeah, for sure,
Exactly.
100%.
So now the man said no,
There
Dunkley
were
was
some
not.
other people in the race, but they withdrew.
Exactly. But them a mix up Ardlisha constituency with Enriquez. Because
No,
Omar Miller no over
I
there.
don't know why they would do that, but that and hardly Shaw constituency now have nothing to do with Enrique's
Right.
constituency.
But no Omar
Except they are
Miller.
line on line. Except them are line on line. That's how about it.
Exactly. Can Omar Miller a run over the Omar Miller and
Well, we don't know that is Omar Miller going to run over the hardly
no
Shaw
man, him a one
endorsed
next
Omar
man
Miller.
arrive for the position. Must kill or whatever I want.
Hardly Shaw had endorsed Omar
Miss
Miller. See?
Right.
Miss Miss
But
Miss Green.
hold on there. But I think the party have other ideas. They was endorsing Mikulski.
All right. That me I
Because
tell
him,
them say
hold on no.
that's what I was saying to them.
Yeah, but what happens is Mikulski have piece of food and more suited for run the constituency in terms of financial power. See, because you know you need finances. You can't go without that. And based on what them say, Omar Miller not have the food. You understand? And
Right.
him a councillor, him have a piece of Devon and around Highburn side there where people rate him, but it's not a general thing across the constituency. Now, Mark, don't quote me upon this. This is the argument that is being touted about. So nobody go tell Omar Miller now so Rusty a fight against him like one of the yesterday and keep up fuck. See? Right? And them say Mikulski might not have Mikulski might have a bigger a way to win it
In
more
terms of
than
finance.
that is the argument. For me, I am for the man that makes better sense. And at the end of the day, at the delegates and the people in the constituency have to decide that.
Exactly. Because
I
them I say
am
if
not from the constituency, so I have no argument in that except when I want them to come to a decision fast and quick. Who's going to do it? And make certain them get it right. And we can't afford to lose a seat there.
because them I say one lady come up on the live last night at a politics live and I said the MP endorsed one, but the Prime Minister never endorsed the other, but it wasn't confirmed. And the
Hey,
the person was on the live. I'm sure not no go so cause I don't clear the dip on the live last night at all.
And me invite Don Clip on the live last night.
I was
And
there.
there was
I
some
was there
question
to
being
me.
asked.
So me typing on the text said the chat said nothing no go so come in hear nothing like that, nothing of that sort was said. So I don't know where they get that information there from.
And me invite Don Clip on the live
Miss Green,
because I wanted to get some
Miss Green.
clarity.
Yeah?
Some people
Let
that
me
say
tell you
some
something.
things.
You
And I
see,
wanted to get some clarity on
you
what
ever
the
you
question
ever
is
hear the
asked.
saying where them say you ever hear the saying where them say Dunkin are running a race as Derby race? Listen now. You see the leader of the party, them when them are select people, them actually select them cabinet too, So on a winning ticket, you select your team to win. But when you win, you want to select a cabinet.
Which
You
means,
get me? When you get me, I say,
yeah, me
so you
understand.
start to select your ministers. You start to select your ministers then before you win back in next election. You know?
Mm-hmm.
It don't make no sense. You go select a donkey if you go a Cayman Spark go run. And the donkey no run a Cayman Spark. You get the picture? Me no want to go too deep, you know, read between the line.
Yeah, man, me understand what you're saying.
So that the hierarchy of the party decide when them put on pen to paper and say, yo, that man can go here, so if not, that man can go here, so that man can go this, so that man can go this. So the politics gone past people emotion now, you know. That's how enough people need to realize it gone past emotion.
Because when them a say, cause first it was Omar Miller them a talk about first. Then them switch to the Tory down to me. I say, huh? How that drop in there? Because that's two different constituencies. How that drop in there?
Morning again, everyone. Morning,
I must say,
morning,
me
morning.
sure, say the Prime Minister, Endorsement. So
Morning
me don't know
again,
what them a talk
everyone.
about.
Morning.
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 All right.
Man, you parishioner friend.
All right, we got just tell. It live, I don't know. We don't live though, people. Lusty, go start yours one, Lusty. You go up on the road.